Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change the language setting on CoinGecko application using your smartphone. So in order to change your language setting on CoinGecko, launch open the CoinGecko application on your device, and once you're inside the home page after logging in, click on Profile at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, look for a language option and tap on it. You will see a list of supported language on the screen. Choose your preferred language from the list by simply tapping on it, and you have successfully changed the display language setting on your CoinGecko application. You can always get back to the same menu and choose a different language whenever preferred. And that's it. That is how easy it is. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.